Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Robux with Fampay. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Fampay as your payment option, so what you can do, you can simply set it up as your preferred payment method on your App Store or in your Play Store. So for example, open up your App Store, hit on your profile and then select your account here. So once you've selected your account, so what you're going to do, you're going to set up your preferred payment option. So simply select Fampay as your payment option. So let me just sign in my Apple ID so that I can get to the payment options. So right, okay, so once I've logged into my account here option here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on manage payment. So I will get to this page here where I can select my payment options. So I'm going to just simply type in select add payment method, and then I'm going to select UPI because I'm going to use Fampay, so I will just use UPI. I will select UPI for purchases, and then I'm going to just type in my UPI ID of Fampay, my customized UPI ID from Fampay. So just type that in, then hit on done. So once I hit on done, so my Fampay will be added as one of the payment method, so for purchases. So if I do any purchases now, so it will be taken from my Fampay through App Store. So for example, if I open up Roblox and then get to this buy Robux option here, so if I select any option here, and then this will go through the App Store. So since I've already linked my Fampay through my Fampay as the payment option on App Store, so I can simply hit on purchase, and then it will be deducted or taken from my Fampay account through Apple Pay. So that's how you can use Fampay to buy Roblox. So hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.